everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in a little bit of a different room because my son is sleeping and I love to film in his room for unboxings because he has like the best lighting. But since he's sleeping in there, I had to change locations. But today I have two new prints to unbox for you guys from JuJuBe. I have a fairly good sized box here and I have quite a few goodies inside, so I'm super excited to show you guys what they sent me. So I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing. The two new prints are Blue Steel, which is like Zoolander's, you know. I don't know if anybody else loves Zoolander, but I am like a big fan of Zoolander. So there's Blue Steel and then there's Geo, which is like a new legacy print. So I'm really excited to show you guys what they look like. These will be releasing on the website on March 21st, so you guys still have a little bit of time here. So do I, because I'd love to do a couple packing videos and things. So, ooh, Geo is very cool. Aw, this is so cute. Got a few of my friends on the front of this card that they sent me in here. It's so sweet, I love that. So, okay, on the very top here I have Geo. I don't really want to look at Blue Steel yet because I think that one's going to be my favorite in the box. I can't see what I'm doing this. Alright, so I'm going to put that over here, but I want to see Geo. This one is very interesting. Like up close, it looks totally different than it does from far away. Like I can see a pattern up close versus when it's far away, it's like a totally different pattern. It's really interesting. So hopefully you guys will be able to see real well when I show you guys up close what it looks like here. Whoa. It's one of those prints that's like Queen of the Nile that kind of makes you a little bit dizzy when you see it up close, but from far away, hold on, let me put it far away. It looks really neat. So I'm going to show you guys real close. I'm not using any artificial lighting right now. It's all natural lighting. So hopefully you guys can see that pretty well. You have the gold hardware. Now it's not that shiny gold that it used to be. It's a brushed gold, so I love that. I think it looks so classy. So the print is actually black and white, and it's different designs of stripes. So you have some stripes going horizontally and some stripes going vertically. So it causes like this optical illusion when you look at it. It's really interesting. I'll show you guys one more close-up look because I only got this one bag and then I think one other thing in this print. But it's really pretty. So let's go ahead and open it because I'm not 100% sure what the lining is. I assume that it's going to be legacy lining. Yep, it's that mushroom lining, which of course always looks so good with the legacy collection. So this is the BFF for people who don't know anything about JuJuBe, or you're new and you're checking this out for the very first time because you thought the print was really cool, because it is. This is the BFF. It is a convertible diaper bag. You can wear it crossbody, over the shoulder, as a backpack. Like, it comes with all kinds of cool stuff. So this is one of my favorite JuJuBe diaper bag styles. So this is the Geo BFF. Alright, so let's see what else I got in here. I know that the next thing in here is Blue Steel, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. Not look at the rest. Okay, so I actually really love the shade of blues that they used. Blue Steel is a recolor, I believe. I'm trying to remember what the other one is called. I think it's called Black Lightning or something. You guys could probably correct me in the comments below. I never actually got any of that print because I'm not a huge fan of olive colors. But I did love the blue, and so do my kids, which is why I wanted to get the Be Right Back, because my son currently uses the electric black Be Right Back for his school right now, and he's in 2nd grade, and it's been amazing. And I think he's been using it for 2 years now for 1st and 2nd grade. So that bag has taken a serious beating, and it would be under the description as well loved because it's so beat up now. So he needs a new one for next year, and I figured that this print is not too far away from that one, but I think it's also a lot better because I just love the more like blue tones in it. You've got navy, you have a medium blue, you have a light blue, and then you also have like a steel blue in there, which I think is probably why they call it Blue Steel. So I really like it. It's really cute. That's a better up close look at it. It's definitely a really neat print, great for boys, or if you love Harry Potter, this is a great bag for that too. So I haven't seen the inside yet, so let's go. Okay, so for this bag, it is just the gray lining, but it looks really good with this bag. It actually reminds me of my blue Stargyle Be Right Back that I used to have that had the gray lining and then the blue outside, so it's to me very similar, and I loved that bag. So this is cool though. They've got the navy mesh in here. I like that a lot. So there you go, guys. That is the Be Right Back. If you hear any hammering, they are building 2 new houses behind my house. I get to listen to that all the time. Alright, so there is the Blue Steel Be Right Back. I did not want this video to be too long, but you guys know I'm a little long-winded when it comes to unboxing. Love to chat about my stuff. So the next thing that I got is this. I got the Mini Bee because my middle son is starting school this fall, and I can't believe it already. Kindergarten. So I thought that it'd be like really fun if he could match his big brother. He loves everything his big brother loves. So I got him the Mini Bee, and I think this is a great bag for kindergarten. My son took one to school back when he first started kindergarten, my oldest. So I think this is going to be really cute for them to get out of the car together and match. Oh, I might be a little nerdy, but I think it's going to be really cute, and I think that they're going to like that they can match together. So yeah, I got the Mini Bee, and I'll just show you guys real quick inside. You already know that it's gray. The Mini Bee can actually hold quite a bit though, so there's plenty of room for his lunchbox, his folders, like all that stuff, and you also have an organizational pocket there, and you have one down in the front here. So that is the Mini Bee. It's really cute. I think my boys are going to love that. So what else? Oh yeah, I have, oh yeah, okay, I remember. Remember how I said I wasn't sure of that. I got one more thing in Geo, so, but I got 2 more things in the Blue Steel. So I actually got my son a Blue Steel Be Dapper because he loves art, and he loves to draw and write his own books and things. He wants to be an artist illustrator when he gets older. So I got him a Be Dapper to hold all of his drawing supplies. So this is not even like to go in his Be Right Back. This is for like at home, or if we go on a trip or something and he wants to draw while we're out. This is a great little carrying case for that because he can hold it like this or like that. You can put things in here, and then you also have the main compartment just here. So there you go. I mean, this is just such a great bag for so many different things. I've used it for a ton of different things. I love them. Right now I'm using one for my makeup, and it's been amazing. I love it. So I got the Be Dapper. Now the last 2 items I actually picked for giveaways. So you guys will have to keep an eye out on my social media so that you can enter to win one of these bags, and I will be adding something else along with it. I'm not exactly sure when or where I'm posting them, but I will definitely make sure to share with you guys in the community tab so that you will know where to go so you can enter to win one of these. So I have a Super Bee in Geo, so I'm going to just leave this in the packaging for now, but this is such a great print on this bag because you can see it like huge, and it's really cool. If you guys haven't owned a Super Bee, this is a great opportunity to win one, and they just hold tons, and I love to use them for the pool personally. And then I also have a Bee Light, which is a smaller version of the Super Bee. It's a little shorter and like half the size of the Super Bee, but I use these for a ton of things too, like traveling all the time. And so yeah, you can win a Blue Steel Bee Light. So keep an eye out for these giveaways, you guys. So that is all I have. I will go over real quick what I got one more time. I have the Mini Bee in Blue Steel. I'll zip it up real quick. My kids won't even know about these. I think I'm gonna hide them from them. because I think it'd be fun to like gift them to them right before school starts, to be like, surprise, you guys get a match. So anyways, so I have a mini bee and the Be Right Back. So cute together. And I got, oh, I'm getting stuff all over me from the box probably. And then I have the Be Dapper, which I think is really cute in this print. I actually really like this print a lot more in person than I thought I was going to, if that says anything. But and then I have the Geo BFF. So there you go, guys. And if you guys want to see me do any packing videos on any of this stuff, just let me know in the comments below, and I will try and squeeze out at least one before the release. I might be able to do two, but we'll see. So definitely give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful. I would love to know what you guys are going to get from this release, so make sure you comment down below and let me know. And I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you, and I love when you guys shop through there because it helps support my channel. So thanks so much, and thanks for watching.